Hey guys, welcome back or welcome to my YouTube channel. For today's video, I'm just gonna be getting ready for a Little Mermaid gala. So basically, I was just in a play, and I was with like older people. Like it was kind of cool because I met new people and everything. So we get to see everybody by going to like a cool like gala. It's gonna be super duper fun. So moving on to makeup. Okay, so what I'm gonna do for my eyes, I'm just gonna do like a glittery, like sparkly kind of color. Like I might be going for Saturn, or yeah, I might just be going for that. So yeah, I'm just gonna do that. All right, so I just finished with that. It looks really good. So now we're just gonna be moving on to like, I'm gonna do like little highlights everywhere. Like I'm just gonna try to do that. Okay, so I just did little highlights right here. Now I'm just gonna, I know that's a lot on that side and not a lot on that side. Might do like a little bit more. Okay, that's cool, yeah. And then we're just gonna put a little bit on my nose. Cool? Okay. Now we're just gonna be moving on to blush. Yeah. Okay, so by the way, I'm using this Ulta Beauty blush. It looks so, it's like so good, and I love it. Like, look at that shade right there. It's so pretty. But yeah, and that's basically what I'm just gonna do. Okay, so I just finished that. Now I'm just gonna be doing lip gloss. Yeah, we're just gonna do that. By the way, I never said this yet, but look at how pretty that shade is. It's from Elf too. Yeah. Cool, I just did that. Like, it looks really pretty too. All right, now we might just move on to mascara, yeah. Okay, and the mascara that I'm using right now is, it's called FanFest. But yeah, so I'm just gonna put this on. Cool. Okay, so this is the makeup we're going for. It looks so good though. Okay, now I'm just gonna be putting on a little bit of perfume. I love this perfume, it's so good. Okay, oh, I forgot to take this off. Okay, so anyway, now we are just gonna be grabbing my dress. Okay, so tell me that this is so cute. It has little flowers on it. It's so pretty. I love it so much. So I'm just gonna change it into this real quick and we'll move on. Okay, I have it on. I'm about to show you in 3, 2, 1. It is so cute. Like what? Little slits right here, but and that is also really cute. I love it. And yeah, this is the outfit. I might be putting in new earrings, or I might keep these in. You know what? I'm changing these. I have really good ones that I want to wear. Okay, so I just changed my earrings, and look at how cute these are. They're like little stars, and they're so glittery. And I'm hoping this does not make my holes bigger, because, you know, I don't want my ears to stretch out or anything. But yeah, I'm crossing my fingers for that. But just either way, these are adorable. But like this whole fit, I love it. I really do. And I might be curling my hair, maybe putting some nails on. I don't even know. But yeah. Oh yeah. Oh, I almost forgot. Sandals. Hold up. I'm gonna try them on again. I just noticed that I have a tag on the back of my dress. So I'm gonna take that off. Just give me 1 second. Okay, so I just put on this bracelet. It's super duper cute. It has little owls on it. Like, it's super cute. Like, my friend gave it to me, like, from school. Like, she made this. So cute. I almost forgot to show you guys this bag that I got. It's so cute. I'm gonna be carrying it around at the gala. It's gonna be so exciting because like I have like purple on, like there's like a few purple flowers on here, like see, and it fits perfectly. And the gold, my makeup and my earrings match so well. Like I love it so much. All right, well I guess that's all for today's video. If you're going, see you there.